Welcome to this technical guide on the TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM21 is running hot and not cooling properly, you may experience a number of issues. This symptom often arises from a malfunctioning clutch or temperature sensor, which can lead to overheating. If left unaddressed, it can cause further damage to your device, potentially leading to costly repairs down the line. To successfully complete this repair, you will need a few tools and materials. Gather a screwdriver set, a replacement clutch, a new temperature sensor, some thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. Begin by ensuring your TM21 is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully remove the screw securing the casing using your screwdriver. As you open the device, take extra care not to damage any internal components. Once you have access to the internal parts, you will want to locate the faulty clutch. This component will typically be situated near the cooling assembly. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the clutch, making note of their positions for easy reinstallation. To remove the clutch, you may need to unscrew it from its mounting points. Apply a moderate amount of force, but be cautious not to strip the screws. After successfully extracting the old clutch, place the new one in its position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Reattach the screws firmly but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the component. Next, locate the temperature sensor, which should be nearby. Disconnect the wires and remove the sensor from its housing. Install the new sensor and reconnect the wires as they were previously configured. Before closing the device, apply thermal paste to ensure optimal heat transfer. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely in place, carefully reassemble the casing, making sure all screws are tightened adequately. Power on your TM21 and monitor its performance to ensure it is cooling properly. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure regular maintenance of your TM21. Clean dust from the cooling system periodically and monitor the device's temperature during use. If you notice any unusual heating, address it promptly to avoid further complications. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.